Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. I'll be showing you where all the collectibles are in Monkey's Realm. Number 1, we go to the elevator. We press floor 1. Number 1 is over here. Put your finger there and press unlock. The next one, we're not going to go down there yet because we're going to go over here into the ice map. The cosmetic here is really simple. Oh, I heard Five Nights at Freddy's music. Next one is kinda scary to get. What in the world was that? You come down here. You click that, you get a torch. Come down here. Go around the corner. And then the next one to get, don't know why that happened. The next one to get is over here. You climb the pipe. There it is. You get the pipe cosmetic. And then for the next cosmetic or collectible, you've got to go over here. But before you do that one, I'm going to show you this one. You want to wait this timer that shows up here. For me, it's not there. When you get the trusted user badge, you can go down the trusted user vent. After coming down, you can open this chest and get this. And then you can also get this one, a giant sword. And then the next one in here. Can't show that. That's inappropriate. Oh. You come up here. You come through this gap. You come around here, you go down here, you go over here, you go up here. You gotta... I'm lost. I think you go up here, you go around here, you go over here. That's a loop. Nothing. Yeah, just look for a cosmetic or collectible in here. Am I really just stuck in here now? Oh, nope, I'm not. Wait, oh, I was in the room, wasn't I? Oh, here it is. You click this, that closes, you get this, you can come through here, come around here. Oh wait, that's not the exit, you can come through here, you can come over, where? You can come over here, and then you can leave. Won't show that. And then we come over here to the bar. We've obviously got one a drink. You want to come over here, simply go through here, go up here, and there it is. Candy. And that is all the collectibles. Have a nice day.